Hello guys, welcome to this HTML5 tutorial. In this video we are going to see the basics of HTML. So let's get started. I'm going to open the VS Code, Visual Studio Code editor. Yes, it's opening pretty fast. Let me minimize it. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain this to you. Actually, we are coding a document. It's a document actually. It's a coding document. So we are giving command to the browser the to display the content which I have coded it. So this is a document actually. So the browser, I need to tell the browser what type of document it is. And before that, let me tell you the types of tags we have. We have two types of tags, which the one tag does not have a closing tag and another has closing tag. So let me say, so this is a tag which has syntax. We call it syntax, and closing tag has a forward slash. See, when I press this forward slash, VS Code has already filled up the spaces for me, so it saves a lot of time. So tag, it has. So this is the opening tag. If you could see, this is the opening tag. It does not have a forward slash, but the closing tag has a forward slash. So this is one type of tag syntax we are talking about, and the second one is it does not have any closing tag. For example, it's I might have an image tag here. It does not have an closing tag. You could see that in Visual Studio did not apply any closing tag for it. So it's like that. We can add forward slash here, but we cannot if you think that you don't need it, you don't need to add it. If you think that you will definitely need it, you can add it, so it's an option. So this is one example that that's a different tag which does not need closing tag. So let us start it. So we need to tell the browser that this document is an HTML document. So this is the code for it. Open the tag, put this, then doc type. Doc means document, type means document type is HTML. So that's all. This is the first tag which you need to do in an HTML coding. I showed to you in the first episode itself that when I opened Wikipedia or IPLT20.com website, when I clicked inspect view element, it showed me at the first doc type HTML. So this was the same thing which was shown to me at that page. So this is the first and foremost thing which you need to type in your website. It's highly necessary. So now we are going to open the HTML tag. So HTML. So bracket. Visual Studio Code has already given me the tag of it. I have pressed it and closed the tag. So you could see that it's a very such an interesting web text editor actually. So HTML is like a person actually. I am a human being and my name is HTML. If you take it like that, I have two parts, body and head. So head comes first and body comes second. And head controls the body. So these are the two main points. So it's like that also. HTML has two parts, that is head tag, and brackets has given me the closing tag also. And below head, but within the HTML, you have body tag. So it's like in our human body. Head is being followed by body. So like that, head comes first and body comes second. So let's see the usage of head tag. So head tag controls the body tag actually, like how in human being brains in head controls body in human being, like that head tag in HTML controls the body tag in HTML. So it's really an important one, but not that much important one in HTML, but it would be quite much important in CSS when you are learning CSS, which is next to HTML. For designing the web pages, this is for creating. So in CSS it will be mostly used, but in HTML it has a simple usage, which is title tag, title. So it closes. So you might ask, what is the usage of this title tag, little coder? So the usage of title tag is very simple. Um, Let me open my Chrome. Yeah, it has opened it for me. I am going to view Wikipedia. Let me go to Wikipedia. Let me write Texas. So the time when I type Texas, it shows me in the tab. If you could see it clearly, it says shows Texas hyphen Wikipedia. So whatever content which I'm going to write between this tag is going to be displayed on the tab of this web page. So that's the thing. So let me close it. I'm going to write uh, just learning. Um, Not like that. HTML5 hyphen. You don't. It does not mean that you need to type hyphen. You can write whatever text you can. So I'm writing little coder. So this is the text which is going to be displayed on my website at the tab. Okay. So in HTML5 we have I mean in HTML we have this purpose only. Okay. Let us come to body tag. Body tag is body tag is used for displaying contents to the website. Actually, if I click my web page, again it's the same. I'm going to type Wikipedia, going to click that, and I'm going to type California. While I click it, you could see that it's opening the web page of California in Wikipedia. The tab, if you could see, it says California-Wikipedia. So this is the head content. But whatever is being displayed in this web page is due to body tag. So it is, if you could see, it's all from body tag only mostly. If you click view source content or view source, what is that? View source page, view page source actually. You could see that head contains this much, while body contains this much. Actually, this also head only. So you could see that it controls the body. So whatever text is written between this is by body tag only. So this is all. Whatever you see in this is from body tag, and this body tag is being controlled by head tag. So head tag has only one tag which can be visible to the web page, that is title tag, and other tag we will learn in future videos. So body tag controls everything. I mean head tag controls everything, and body tag displays everything which you type in the coding. I mean a document. Okay, I'm going to code. Um, Hi there, we are learning to code HTML5. Okay, this is enough. And okay, I had edited everything, I had coded everything, but I want to see this. I want to see my web page in an search engine or a web browser, but how can I do it? So for that you need to save the document. So you can go to file or click save. Otherwise you can press Ctrl S. It will open the dialog. There you can click desktop, and I have already made a folder called little coder. So click it. It says Untitled 1 because it's already saved in as Untitled 1. So I want to make it as an, I want to give a name for my web page. I mean for the document I'm going to give it as home because it's a home page. So I have typed in home. If, and you could see that it says save as type HTML. Already it's there because I have you could see that here you have, wait a minute, let me close this. You could see that in Visual Studio you have one thing here, says HTML. If you click it, you have lots of languages, programming languages, C hashtag, C++, CSS, and lots of things. If I write HTML, it shows the configured language. So it is being shown here actually. So I am saving it, Control S. So it says HTML. So it's in not this project, but little coder. I want to save it. I want the page to be named as home. Okay, I have done it. So can I go and click save? No, we should not do like that, because we need to save this format in .html. If you had forgotten to put .html, the web browser will not accept it. So write your name, file name, and after that put .html. So that is a really required one if you are opening a if you are creating a uh, website actually. So if I click save, you could see a Google Chrome icon. So I'm clicking it. So it says home, but where is .html? Actually, .html is the format, so you will only be home. So I'm going to click open. You could see that it says. Actually, let me close this. If you could see one thing, the title I have given as HTML5 littlecoder. So if you could go there, it says HTML5 littlecoder. So this is the only visible content you can see from head tag, that is title tag. So whatever you type in title tag will be displayed in the tab of your web browser, and whatever you type in your content, I mean body content, it will be displayed in this web page. So it says hi there, we are learning HTML code. We are learning to code HTML5. So here also it says hi there, we are learning to code HTML5. So this is for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. If you like to do us a favor, please like, share, subscribe for our YouTube channel. So see you next video, guys. Bye.